in your maths class.
Yeah.
And essentially that's the kind of level we're backing down to. Like, it's natural. It'll become natural one day. But right now, it's a very unnatural thing. I just talked to a supervisor. Oh yeah, would you take a student teacher right now?
That's what I noticed when I did my YouTube clips. It was my hands.
Yeah, right. Yeah, which is probably good.
Yeah, I've got to study in isolation, so I can't have visitors to the house.
No. You wouldn't have a visit to the house. It'd all be online. I've just been tasked with Monash to prepare them. If schools are online, student teachers are online.
What a way to be a teacher now.
So could they link in and see your lessons?
Yeah, so they'd have to have access to MASCOM.
Right. And then once they sort of got the hang of it, what was observation, they just be observing. But if they were doing actual teaching rounds, you could then say, right, you do the next.
And you might communicate using email.
Yeah.
And then you jump on it. They might do the video for that morning, or they might set the activity, and they will have done a 2-week crash course in online learning. And we will be giving them kind of some ideas of activities and things. So it may be that the student teacher comes in with some ideas, kind of thing. But
Got any Italian ones?
I just got told an hour ago.
Well, come on. I thought you'd have it all sorted by now. Geez, you're disappointed.
I'm getting a little bit worried now. I was getting worried about coronavirus, and now I'm not worried about all this. It's not a small task. So I teach a master's unit on online learning, and so what they've asked us to do is slash and burn that back to only the practical, so that 8-week course can be done in 2 weeks.
If you need a bunny to experiment on, I'm happy to experiment.
I'm going to send you 5 students to get that. No, that's not what. Yeah, cool. I'm not what.
Because if you want someone, you say to your student, right, this is a guy who knows nothing, I'll give you a
Not the case.
Listen, you got the paper, Nova? Did you get the paper?
No, they didn't deliver anything today.
Organisation, Australian Teacher Magazine. I'm sure everyone will be reading that in the next few months.
Well, I will. I will if I know you've published it. I'll make an
Maybe
exception.
they'll delay the petition. Is it a hard copy? Maybe I'm thinking 2 or 3.
So I just got off the phone from my supervisor then. He's been on the phone all day, media left, right, and centre, because they're shutting down schools. And he's the online learning guru at Monash. He said, I just got off the phone to the Herald Sun. I'm like, what are they asking you?